In this video, I'll show you how to alert human agents the moment your AI agent starts a conversation. To set this up, log into your tawk.to account, select your property, and click Add-ons in the side menu. Under AI Assist, click Settings, select your AI agent, and scroll down to the Behavior section. Here, you'll find the Always Notify Human Agents of New Chats toggle. By default, this is turned off so your dashboard stays quiet. But once you enable it, your team will get an alert the exact second the AI joins a chat. What makes this feature really useful is that it respects each agent's individual sound and repeat settings. So if an agent has their notifications configured to ring 3 times, that's exactly what they'll hear when the AI steps in. You can also pair this with the Delay Apollo Live Chat Answering For toggle to give your team even more control. By adding a short delay, like 10 or 30 seconds, you give your human agents a head start to answer the chat themselves. If they're tied up, the AI simply takes over, and your team still gets the notification. It's the perfect way to maintain full oversight of your automated conversations without having to monitor the inbox 24/7. For more assistance, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.